Alright guys, what's happening? We're going to fix one of the most common Dodge problems today. Front crank seal. They start leaking and they make a mess. This one's been leaking for a while. We've kind of slacked off on it. Add a little oil here, add a little oil there. But it's going to get used a lot more, so we're actually going to fix it. Show you guys how to do it. It's pretty easy. It is time consuming. The way we do it, a little different than some people do it, I'm sure. Maybe not. But save some time, and you don't have to refill it with coolant. So we'll show y'all how we do it. We'll probably the hardest part's actually putting the seal in the case, or the timing case cover, however you want to say it. Anyway, we're gonna fix that on Mow. We'll change the oil, do that. We've still working on this thing. We got some boots. Probably not gonna use those. Maybe we'll see. Still waiting on another turbo to show up so it can go in this general area, and then that thing's going back in because I'm gonna order the rest of the parts more than likely towards the end of this week, maybe the beginning of next week, and this thing won't be just taking up space on the driveway. But as far as that goes, so what's gonna happen in this video, still got a motor for sale, so all right.
Guys, I know the lighting is terrible, but we got the new timing case gasket on, the new front crank seal on, and everything's pretty well buttoned up. We got a little noise here that we're going to have to check out. Go over everything, clean it all up where the oil's been leaking for years. Well, I don't know if it's been leaking for years or not, but it seems like it's been leaking for years. But for some reason in the past, this timing case, I don't know if it was a previous ordeal, something that it's been took to a shop and I didn't know about, but it had silicone all the way around it, so it was sealing absolutely nothing. So we put the correct gasket in there, got that all touched up. So we're going to go ahead, probably go to bed. It's getting pretty late. but we'll probably come back to this tomorrow, get all the oil and everything cleaned up, and button this thing up and get it finished. Finally here. Here it is. Slowly. Bam. Look at it. Alright, we'll open it up later and let y'all see.
Alright guys, so this is what the first gen started out with. An H1C. Just a single turbo. That's what it started out with. We stepped up to a HX35 on the manifold. It's a pretty common thing. And then we got this. I don't know if you can tell, but that thing is huge compared to an H1C. I mean, it's huge. It's not really a good comparison because you're going from a single turbo on a basically stock truck, stepping up, you know, a little bit of an upgraded turbo, and then to a monster. I mean,
it's 475.
As far as compounds go, it's not a huge turbo or anything, but it's probably close to the limits of what this VE pump's going to be able to fuel and still spool. So one day, maybe if we go P-pump, maybe we'll get crazy and go even bigger. But for now, this thing should do just fine. So after a long day, we've got twins, compounds, 2 turbos, however you want to put it. I don't really care. There's 2 of them. It's gorgeous. So finished mow up this morning, actually this evening. Started pouring the rain. We fabbed up some intercooler piping. We're going to take those and get them welded. We don't have a TIG welder, so we're going to take those and get them welded. Yeah, anyway, S475 Borg Warner. Big old boy. HX35 little boy. They may never, it may never spool, I don't know. But it looks like a monster, and that's got to count for something. So we're going to order some big injectors, fuel system. Transmission should be getting done pretty soon, maybe in the next day or so. And I'll probably call him tomorrow, check on that. Did you ever show him the torque converter?
No.
Alright, go with the torque converter real quick. It's pretty. New. Not pretty. It's pretty and new. You know what I mean. We did not ask for that color, but when things happen, I ain't gonna complain. So, that's about it. Anything else?
Subscribe and like it.
Yeah, that's kind of DJ's little spiel, but I'm not as used to doing this, so like, subscribe, check us out, and before you know it, this is gonna go out there, and that, I don't know. We'll see you guys next time.
Done seen your pictures.